Hey guys, what's up? My name is Humayun, and in today's video we're going to show you how to see the deleted WhatsApp messages. This is really cool. Before we get started, I would like to request you to please subscribe this channel and comment and like in this video so that you can interact and you can ask any question with us. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see, I've opened my WhatsApp web here. Before we can start to see how to check or restore deleted WhatsApp messages, tap on this icon. There will be this plus. I can see this, of course, because I've installed an extension to my Google Chrome. Let's check this extension. It's called WA Web Plus for WhatsApp. And this extension will help us to see the deleted WhatsApp messages that has been deleted, of course, by our friends on WhatsApp. Alright, so this is the extension, and with this green plus icon, I have installed this on my Google Chrome. Let's check this out. Let's go back to WhatsApp web app. And here, if we have added an extension, there will be this icon here on the top, and let's pin this first. So when you have pinned it, that icon will, be on top here. So you can tap on this, and then on the enhancement privacy section, there will be the option to restore related messages. It means this feature allows you to see or check the deleted messages from your friends on WhatsApp. So let's try with this one. I'm waiting for a message from my friend here, and he will send me a message on WhatsApp, and he will delete that afterwards. Let's see, could we restore or see the messages? All right, so you see this is a message, and he has sent it to me. All right, let's wait. And as you can see here, he just deleted the message that he sent me. And now here's how to restore that message. We'll check how to restore this message, don't worry. So there will be this icon on the top. You can tab on this to restore the deleted message. And as you can see now that the message is deleted, and the message that was deleted has been restored. And you can read the message that your friend have deleted. It means this feature only works for text message. So we learned something. Alright, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video really helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share this with your friends. Once again, thank you very much and good luck.